Hello everyone, here's a question. Arrange the following fractions in ascending order. Now here we have a 4 fraction, we have to arrange them in ascending order. To do that, we have to compare them, like which fraction is greater or which one is smaller. To do this, if the denominators were same, then we can do that thing, like we can able to compare the numerators. But if you see here, denominators are different. We have 8, 6, 4 and 5, they're not same. So the first step will be we have to make denominators same and then we're going to compare the numerators. So how to do this? Like how can we make denominators same? To do that, we're going to take the LCM of all the denominators. LCM of this numbers are going to give us the number which we have to change it to. So LCM of 8, 6, 4 and 5 we have to find out. So let's find out the LCM first. So here we have 8, 6, 4 and 5. Now we have to find out a number, a factor where most of the numbers will go. Like 8, 6 and 4 goes in 2, right? Or yeah, so we're going to start with 2. 2 4s are 8, 2 3s are 6, 2 2s are 4, 5 doesn't go, so write down the 5 in the next step. The next we have 4 and 2 both go in 2, so 2 2s are 4, then 3 doesn't go, so write down 3, then 2 1s are 2 and then 5. Now here we have a number 2, 3 and 5 which doesn't go in any of those tables. So like you can just do it 2 1s are and then we have 3, 1 and 5. In the next step we have 3 and then 1, 1 and 5, and the last step we have a 5. That's it. 5, 5, 1, 5 1s are 5. Now multiply all these numbers. So this is 2 into 2 into 2 into 3 into 5. So this is 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 8 3s are is 24, 24 5s are, 24 5s are is 120. So we'll get here 120. Now we're going to change the denominators to 120. So we got LCM is equal to 120. Now first number here we have is 5 by 8. So this denominator should be equal to 120, which means we should multiply here some number to this 8 so that it will become 120. So what is that number? So with 8 what we should multiply to get 120? So we know that 8 15s is 120 or 15 8s is 120. So multiply 15 in the denominator and also in the numerator. Same number should multiply in the numerator and denominator, otherwise the value of the number will change. Now 15 5s is 75, we'll get 75 by 120. Now second number we have is 5 by 6, right? So with this 6 what we should multiply to get 120? We know that 6 2s is 12, right? So 6 20s will be 120. So multiply 20 in the numerator. So 20 into 5 is 100 and 6 into 20 is 120. The next we have is 7 by 4. Now with 4 what we should multiply to get 120? Now we know that 4 3s is 12, which means if I multiply with 30 I'll get 120 because we have a 0 here, that's why multiplying with 30. So 4 into 30 and 7 into 30. So 7 3s is 21, so 210 will get 210 upon 120. And the next we have 3 by 5. So with 5 what we should multiply with 1 to get 120? So we know that 5 into 24 will give you 120. Now in case you don't know with what you should multiply, you can divide 120 and 5, you will get the answer 24. So that 24 you multiply with 5, you will get 120. So multiply 24 with 3. So 24 3s is 72, we will get 72 by 120. Now you can see that denominators are 120, which means we can able to compare the numerators. Now in the question they're asking us to arrange in ascending order. Ascending means we will start with the smallest one and go towards the highest one. So smallest, look at the numerators and which one is smallest here. We have 75, 100, 210 and 72. 72 is the smallest one, right? So 72 upon 100 is the smallest one. And this is less than, after 72 we have 75. So 75 by, it's a 120, I have written 100. It's 72 by 120. And the next one is 75 by 120. And after 75, what's the next one? It's 100. So it is 100 by 120. and the last one is 210. So 210 by 120. Now these are the numbers which we have converted, like we have, these are actually equivalent fraction with the denominator 120. Now in case you want to write down the fractions given in the numerator, we know that 72 by 120 is equal to 3 by 5, right? So this will be 3 by 5 is less than 75 by 120 is equal to 5 by 8. And 100 by 120 is equal to 5 by 6. And last, 210 by 120 is equal to 7 by 4. That's it. So this is how we can do it. In case you have any other question or doubt, you can drop a comment. Thank you so much for watching.